even one who's hard to impress, whether you're looking to spark interest, a relationship, or simply smile. The right words can be your powerful tool. In today's video, we're uncovering 3 powerful phrases that no woman, not even married ones, can resist. These aren't your usual. They tap into deep psychological needs, create genuine connections that leave a lasting impact, stick around until the end, and you'll learn how to deliver these phrases with and perfecting for maximum effect. If you're newer, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you never miss a video. And if you like this topic, drop Aeon in the comments to let me know. Phrases 112.1. I appreciate how this simple yet profound phrase works like magic because it speaks directly to a universal human need, the desire to have valued rather than a surface level compliment like your. I appreciate with something specific about her actions, character, or qualities. For example, I appreciate how thoughtful you are with others. I admire the way you handled that tough situation. Does this resonate? So deeper eyeballs. It shows you're paying attention just to what she does, but to who she is. You're telling her, I see you. This kind of recognition builds intimacy and makes her feel genuinely appreciated, something she'll hold on to long after the conversation's. Phrase 2. I feel so lucky to bear on you. This phrase does more than express gratitude. It elevates her sense of self-worth. It tells her that her presence in your life is irreplaceable. Hen, you say this with sincerity. You're in it just sharing a compliment. You're creating a moment of emotional connection. You're letting her know feather, energy, personality, and have a profound positive impact on your life with authenticity. This phrase tells her she's more than just someone in your life. She's a source of joy. And in 3, you make phrases 3 for everything better. This phrase is a game changer. It acknowledges that her presence, actions, or even just her a meaningful difference. Saying something as simple as you make my day better shows her that she's valued not just for what she does, but for who she is. It speaks to a deep desire to feel needed, appreciated, and significance, whether she's having a tough day or things are going smoothly. This phrase can shift her perspective and create a lasting emotional bond. How to use effectively. 1B, genuine. These phrases only work when spoken with sincerity. Women can sense authenticity, so make sure your words reflect your true feelings to time. Then we'll deliver these phrases as during meaningful moments, whether she's or during an intimate conversation. Enhances their emotional impact. Use sparingly. Don't overuse these phrases or they may lose their magic. Keep them special by using them when the true lesson for compliment with your words with supportivity language, eye contact, a smile, or a gentle touch. These small gestures amplify the emotional final thoughts. Connect thoughts. These 3 phrases may be simple, but they carry immense. A woman's deepest desires to feel valued, appreciated, and irreplaceable. When used sincerely, these words can create moments of magic, strengthening emotional bonds that last. So take a moment today to Sharoni of these phrases with. You'll be amazed at the impact it can have. If you found this video helpful, drop a 1 in the comments to let me know you stayed until the end. Next time you're with her, don't hesitate to let her know how much she means to you. These simple phrases spoken with sincerity and at the right moments can create a sense of emotional will bring you even closer together. They are game changers, not because of the words themselves, but because of the feelings they evoke and the connection. Trust me, when a woman feels like makes your life better just by being in it, she carry that feeling with her long after the moment has passed. Remember how you made her feel, and that is something truly unforgettable. Secondly, timing is when it comes to using this phrase as effectively. The beauty and power of Heartfelt words can easily be lost. If he feels so lucky to be around you, will the most emotional weight. It's about making sure that your words align with the energy of the moment, enhancing the emotional connection rather than feeling out awfulness. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Timing is about recognizing when she's in a place to truly receive and feel the depth of your words. If she's distracted or overwhelmed, the effect might be lost. But when you're in with her emotionally, that's when these words can have the most making her feel truly seen, valued, and appreciated. So take your time, Bepperson, in the moment, and choose your words carefully when delivered at the. These phrases will make her feel unforgettable. And finally, it's all about deliverath way. You say these phrases can mackle the difference between a pause and a deep, meaningful moment. You want to speak with confidence, but also with warmth and sincerity. Your body language and the energy you bring to the moment all contribute to Toho. Your words will be received. It's not about saying the right thing. It's about how you say it and the your words when you deliver these phrases. Make sure you maintain eye contact. This shows her that you're full of, that you're not just going through the motions, but that you genuinely mean what you're saying. There's something deeply intimate about eyes with someone and expressing how much they mean to you. It creates a conic connection that words alone can't achieve. Let your facial expressions traffic your emotions, whether it's a soft smile or a look of admiration. It adds depth to your words and makes them feel more. Your body language matters to you if you're sitting or standing close to her. A gentle touch on her hand or arm aside you. Say these phrases can amplify the effect. It brings a sense of physical connection to match the emotional one you're building. Even the slightest gesture when paired with heartfelt words can make her feel cherished and secure in your presence. Another key part of delivery is spacing. Don't rush through these phrases. Throw them out too. Casually take a moment to breathe, pause, and let the. It's important that she feels theoite and intention behind what you're saying. If you rush it, can come across as less meaningful or even rehearsed. But when you speak slowly and intentionally, you give her time to absorb the emotions behind your words. And here's the magic. Watch your reaction when you deliver these phrases with warmth and confidence. You'll likely see her face light up, her posture soften, her eyes sparkle with appreciation. That's the power of emotional connection at work, whether you're building a new connection or igniting the spark in a long-term relationship. These phrases, when delivered with authenticity, can work. They create a sense of closeness, intimacy, and emotional security that is sure to replicate with anything else. So remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it with the right confidence, warmth, and words can touch her heart in a way that lasts far beyond the moment. You'll not only make her feel valued and appreciated, but you'll also create lasting memories and strengthen the bond of you. So what have you learned so far? We've talked about how powerful words can be when time, right? Delivered with confidence and spoken from their heart. Now, I want to hear from you. Take a moment to reflect on everything we've discussed and comment below with one thing you've learned today that you'll start practicing in your own life. How will you use these phrases to build deeper connections, whether it's with someone you knew or someone you love? If you enjoyed this video, please leave your comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights on building stronger, more meaningful relations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.